Would I come back to be a teacher or curriculum writer at Writers at Work? Yes, I would definitely come back. Hello, I'm Nathania. I was a student at Writers at Work and I graduated with an A1 in O-Level English. Today I'm here to answer some of your questions. Do you think being able to write well is important? I do, because when you are able to write well, you'll be able to develop your thinking skills and thus you'll be able to communicate more effectively with others. What do I like most about Writers at Work and why? The structure of the lessons and notes make it very easy for me to follow and thus allows me to effectively develop my skills. And my teacher is very caring. She really cares about the students' well-being and development. She's just always there for us, even after I graduated. Would I come back to be a teacher or curriculum writer at Writers at Work? Yes, I would definitely come back, as the lessons here were the most fun I've ever had. The lessons in which I learned the most from. I think it would be really good to be a teacher and I could also help others to learn. Hi, I'm Nathania. I am proud to be a Writers at Work student and thank you for the opportunity to share my wow experience.